It might be raining, but it's not going to stop me from barbecuing. So in this video, we're going to make some smoked chicken Marylands with an Alabama white sauce. All right, so to get started, we're going to set our barbecue up. We're going to be using our Bronco 2.0 today. So we're going to open it up, swing our charcoal basket out and half fill that with some briquettes. Then we'll bury a fire lighter in there, light it up, push our charcoal basket back in and open up both of our vents. So while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to prepare our chicken Marylands. So get yourself a nice sharp knife, and all we need to do here is trim off any excess skin and fat. Then go ahead and get them seasoned up in your favorite rub. I'm just going to be using some of our steak shooter because it's going to give our chicken a really nice flavor and some good color too. And now our briquettes have caught light, we're going to shut our fire access door and let our barbecue preheat up to around 135 Celsius or 275 Fahrenheit. Then once we're up to temperature, we can get some smoking wood on. I'm just going to be using some cherry wood for this cook. And then we can get our chicken Marylands on, skin side down, to help render some of that fat. Then while our chicken's smoking away, we're going to make our sauce. So I'm going to start with half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of horseradish cream, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a good teaspoon of our garlic goals rub. Then give it a good mix, have a taste, adjust it to your liking, and then you can set it aside until the chicken's ready. Then after about 45 minutes, we're just going to flip our chicken over so it's nice and crispy on both sides. And then we'll let that keep cooking for another 45 minutes or so until that skin is nice and crispy and we're at an internal temperature of at least 74 degrees Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Then once the chicken's ready, I'll get it out, let it cool down, and then I'll top it with that sauce before getting stuck into it. And we've finally got a break in the rain to try some of this chicken. It's got nice crispy skin, the meat is tender and juicy, and that sauce goes so well with it too. Definitely give this one a try. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.